of you present with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Public Health, Bachelor of Medical and Laboratory Science, Bachelor of Philosophy Science, and the Doctor of Optometry from Kaduna University, Nigeria.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl, Dr. Ronnie here, and I'm going to be telling you guys about what has been going on, why I haven't posted in a long while. So what happened is that I literally got my certificate, I got my degree. Your girl finally convocated in her university, Mazna University, the prestigious university, and then I got my certificate. Finally, it happened 2024, and I'm so happy. And another thing is that I got to meet different people that I haven't seen in a very long while. This thing has been delayed. This particular certificate has been delayed for so long. I would have finished 3 years ago, but then something happened, and I say thank God for everything, because everything just came together and it was so beautiful and very much memorable. And also alongside, I also got my license. I'm now a full-time optometrist, okay? I did my internship and I'm so happy about it. So this is us now trying to become the best student ever. Trying our best and also living the life and also having fun. It was so fun and memorable, and I so much love this very particular moment.
The Faculty of Health Science.
Yes, sir.
And by the authority of the Senate, I present you these persons physically present at today's 27th convocation ceremony, who have been found worthy both in character and merit to be awarded the degree of Bachelor of Science in Public Health.
So guys, in the spirit of the celebration, we had our annual dinner anniversary at my workplace, where I was actually called up to be the chairman planning committee. And guys, your girl, we actually did it, and then we came out looking all gorgeous. So I was literally the chairman planning committee, and this is us. I am my friends, also from our colleagues and other staffs from Port Harcourt and Aba branch, because we have branches in those different places. And also it was also the 10th anniversary of my MD and the CMD, as in the CEO of the place. So it was a very fun and interesting moment. So at this point now, what you're seeing is a presentation that they did just to bring in, now when you go to a club and they want to do Dorime. So this was a Dorime-ish moment for us here at the event, so the annual dinner. So prior to this, we went to the club. Guys, I went to the club for the very first time in my life. I saw things that my eyes did not want to see. But all in all, it was a fun event, and then actually learned and met different people. We had fun. It was a fun-filled event. 3 days event that started on a Friday, Saturday, then on Sunday was the Thanksgiving. So we really enjoyed ourselves. Thank you so much to my MD and the CMB. They really tried for us. They spent over I'm talking millions just to put this thing together. It was not funny at all. But thank God for everything, and also for, So I can't wait to tell you guys everything that happened. But then these are just clips. I didn't really have time to do video because I wasn't even ready to vlog. But then I'm like, how can I go to places like this and then want to do something for my beautiful people, for them to follow and also be in the moments with me? I'm like, no, it's not going to work. I have to do a video so I can at least just show you guys what happened behind the scene. But yeah, that was it. Your girl hasn't been feeling well, but for some reason, I was a bit okay for this event. had to mute that part so that YouTube will not flag my video and bring it down. But at this moment, this was when they brought in almost the most expensive drink ever. Like, this drink is so expensive, I can't even begin to start talking about it. So they had to bring it, they went to drop it on the person's the table. So now we had a very let's say a big man or something like that. I don't even know how to even start describing what's happening here right now. But this drink was presented to someone of a more higher class and value, you understand? So that's what happened here. And also at this point too, they were also, this another time, another one. And when these drinks enter the hall like this, usually go feel them. Like if you enter the hall, like the people that have been to these kind of places and then they've witnessed things like this, they will understand what I'm trying to say. Though I have to be very honest too, this is my first time. Like I can't even come here and start lying. This was my first time witnessing something like this, and it really made sense. It really made sense. My boss really shut down the whole place. So these drinks is almost, I can't really make an estimate, but I know it's very costly. But yeah, that was just it, and I really enjoyed this event too. So many things happened. We danced. I even forgot the part. We were not videoed. I didn't get someone to get the part that we danced. It was very nice. We had to rehearse. Guys. If you guys saw our dance, you just be laughing. But it was really beautiful. Everything just turned out nice. At first, when I saw this thing, I was scared. I was like, Jesus, what's happening? But then I got to know about it. That it's just a presentation when you have to bring in those kind of drinks that has been there for a very long time. All those old kind of drinks, they will have to come with such presentation and things like that. So I'm like, okay, your girl just had to melt into the crowd. So that's just what happened here. Nothing serious, please. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ronnie. I know it's been a while I posted something on this channel, but today is a very different video altogether. This is actually my new apartment. It's where I'm standing right now is my new apartment. So I've got my old space and I decided to get a new environment for myself. So I'm still going to be putting you guys through and everything I'm going to be doing here. It's just that this is my first time coming inside this place, and I just came here to clean the whole environment. I'll soon show you guys the space in a bit, but I've missed you guys so much. And see how I'm looking like a homeless person. I'm still going to be taking you guys around the whole property, but I said property around the whole house. But then it's a self-contained apartment and there's nothing much to show, so I'm just here to clean up the whole space. But let me show you guys, and also put you guys through why I actually moved. So guys, when you come in, this is the door. This is where I came in from. So I don't want to go outside again. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the door from here. So after that, this is the room itself. It's actually very spacious for a self-contained apartment. It's actually very spacious. It has just this one window, which is still okay because it makes the place bright. Those are my stuff. This is what I came with just to use and clean and mop up. Though the place is not dirty as for. But you have to do the needful, right? I specifically so much love this wardrobe. I so much love this wardrobe. Not so big, but then it's okay. And it has the different partitions inside. Those are my stuff that I just came in with. I love this area, where I get to fold in my stuff. And I just love the color of this wardrobe. The color is just beautiful. Like it matches in with my own color, my own aesthetics for my house. So I so much love it. So here is the kitchen, here is the toilet, and there is the corridor outside. That's the backyard. So let's start from here. So when I open this door, this is the corridor. Now this is from the old tenant that was here, so I'm going to get that out. So you come out here. So the only thing I don't really like about this space is just the color. I don't like this color. So this is the balcony. Okay, nothing serious, nothing serious. I mean, get into the view, right? All right, so let's go back inside. So once we come back inside, nothing much to show, just that the corridor, I don't really like that color. I don't know if I'll be able to change it if I was permitted to, but then, so here now is a toilet. This space is not so big, but it's manageable. It's actually manageable. It's manageable. I even has water heater. It has water heater. Oh, it's nice. I felt like it's just a very portable space. So see what I can do with this space. So let me show you guys the kitchen. So when you open here, you have the kitchen. But the only downside to this kitchen is that it doesn't have a kitchen cabinet. I'm going to show that to you, that's not mine. It doesn't have a kitchen cabinet at all. So that means for this house, I'll have to put in my own kitchen cabinet in here. But so far, it is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just love the tile that they used. Like, it's so clean, it's very neat, and it's beautiful. It's just something I can work with. Okay. So that's just it. That's the space there. And then we'll come back to the room. Here is the room. All right. So this is actually the mirror that I came in and met. That's me. Hi guys. This is the mirror I came in and I met it here. So I don't know if I can. I just wish I would take it off. Now what I want to do. So now what I want to do is this. I want to see how I can just segment the whole place. You understand? Definitely I'm going to do it. I'm going to try and make sure that I segment the whole place with how I want it. I want it to have a room, a parlor, and also my shop in the same space. So I was thinking using this area right here, as the window where I can do my sewing and all of that stuff. I want it to be here. So we'll see what I can do to help decorate this whole space so I can use it for that. Then I was hoping I can just use this area as my parlor, like the center as a parlor. So I can fix my TV stand, whatever here. But there's no space for the seats, but I'll just see how I can do it. Sorry about the noise. The window is open and I have the street or a highway rather, because opposite me, so that's why it's noise. It's like I sorry about that noise. So then I might end up using this space as my room, like this place. Then I'll switch this over to this side. Okay? So those are not that I'm watching this video. Wondering, why did you leave your house? Why did you leave? So guys, I had to come in here because the noise was not getting so much. So, but literally, the thing is, I actually left my house because I've outgrown that space. Like, you know, when you stayed in a place and it feels like it felt like I was inside a bottle. Like inside balloon, like inside a confined space. I just need to break out. Do you understand? There's nothing wrong with my old space. I was staying with my parents, but then again, I'm 33 years old and there's still nothing wrong for most people. But personally, I just feel I just have to just go out there, you know, live my own life, do my own thing. Not every day you're waking up to mommy and daddy, and you know, even though I'm working, which is also making a difference. But then I just felt like I should at least be able to live alone, because to an extent I started feeling lazy. Like, guys, I felt lazy. Like, my mom will be the one cooking for us. She'll be the one cooking for us. She will be the one doing most of the time. I just felt like, like I was actually being spoon-fed a lot. So that I'm like, let me just go outside and see what I can do for myself, and also, you know, so I can be able to gain my own grounds. I don't want to move from my parents' house to my husband's house. I want to be able to move from my own space to my husband's house. So let me start now to learn an independent, like a total independent lifestyle on my own. That was just basically why I had to leave my house. So I got this place for like 540,000, as in total. That was how I got it. But everything is in there, like the agency fee and all of that. So by next year, paying the next year rent should be 400,000. That's the actual rent. So now it's actually advisable if you want to go outside and live alone, be sure that you have something doing at hand so that you can be able to fend for yourself. You get. So that's just it. Not something that when you go out and stay outside, the next thing you're still calling home again for food. It will not make sense. So please, I beg, if you are living to go and stay outside, it's encourageable. I'm really encouraging people to do it. It's very good, but have something doing at hand so you can be able to take care of yourself. That is just it. So I said just come up and update you guys about what was going on, and so the next thing is I'm going to post is going to be the moving in video. So you guys stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do go to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing in more fun stuff to this page or to this channel, so you don't want to miss out. So if you want to be my friend, just subscribe and let's be tuning together. Do you understand? All right guys, see you on my next one. Bye.